Hello YouTubers, Sonic Ox here. Today is Wednesday, January 10th, 2024. I hope you're all doing well. This is just a quick video showcasing the next quadcopter build. It's the Speedy Bee BEE35. Means it's got 3.5-inch props. So it came packaged pretty well. Here's the dampened GoPro mount. You have to buy this separately now. I think originally it came with the Pro kit. Now you have to buy it separately, and I think it's, if I remember right, it's right around $5 is all. Seems like a really high quality mount. It's got carbon fiber and then it's got the little dampeners in between. Should take out the jello in the video caused by micro vibrations. So I didn't think it was packaged as well as some that I've seen online. I recently watched the Whirly Bloke review of this frame, and he built it. And he got the Pro version, so he got that dampener in his kit. Plus, he got a really nice colored instruction set as well. That's the LED strip that I plan to put in it. Yeah, but mine didn't come with any kind of instruction or build sheet either. I know I can go online and get it, and it's really easy, but that was a really nice sheet. I was looking forward to getting that diagram. That's the CNC'd aluminum cover for the O3 air unit. I do plan to install that, but I haven't ordered it yet. There's the prop guard. Seems to be really strong polycarbonate. Got flex to it. I haven't ever seen anybody break one on the online videos. That's the battery strap and non-slip pad. Those are aluminum brackets for your camera, and these little soft mount units go in those aluminum. So there's the star of the show. That's the BEE35 frame. It's carbon fiber. I didn't measure it, but it seems really strong and light and rigid. There's not much flex in it. So you can see it. It is a pretty small setup. It's got mounting holes for flight controller or stacks. You can do 30, 25, and 20, and you can even do the all-in-one diamond mount. That's just the nut and bolt for the camera. No stickers or anything. There's a quality assurance tab and one of those cards where you can download the manuals and whatnot. And that's it. And it was all just kind of tossed in that box, which is no big deal. It's nothing's going to get hurt in shipment, but it does seem like Speedy Bee might be slipping a little. But that's it for me. I just wanted to show you guys that, and stay tuned. I'll document the build along the way. Ox out.